あ、でも長い長い。あ、やばい。やばいやばいやばい。わかんない。でも新幹線電気消えるんだね。ね、消えたね。
We've been listening to our domestic services with simultaneous interpretation. As we've been hearing, tsunami has been observed in a wide area. A series of them are reaching the coast of northeastern and eastern Japan after a magnitude 7.4 earthquake struck off Fukushima prefecture Tuesday morning. Japan's meteorological agency has so far observed waves up to 140 centimeters. The tsunami warning for coastal areas of Fukushima and Miyagi prefectures are in effect. The agency says there's a possibility a wave could reach as high as 3 meters. You're now looking at video of Sendai in Miyagi prefecture during the quake. As you can see, our cameras are moving quite violently there. Video of Sendai, Miyagi prefecture during the quake. Japan's prime minister has given a statement from Argentina.
私からは国民に対して津波避難に関する
I have ordered
適時
government officials to provide the public with up-to-date and accurate information.
JMA is calling on people in the area where the tsunami warning is issued to leave coastal areas or riversides immediately. The agency is telling them to evacuate to a safer place, such as higher ground or an evacuation building. Remember, tsunami will hit repeatedly. Do not leave evacuation areas until the warning is cleared. We're now looking at live video of Ishinomaki in Miyagi Prefecture. Live video of Ishinomaki, Miyagi Prefecture. We can see cars on the bridge. However, a tsunami warning has been issued for Miyagi Prefecture. Do evacuate to higher ground and listen to your local authorities.